I I'm really bored, and I have to go back to school tomorrow. I'm tight. Like, I got suspended for 3 days, so they should just give me 5. Fuck it. Along with so pussy anyway. We're gonna have so much fun for Halloween, like, that ass. We're gonna tear shit up. And, our fat asses probably are gonna be walking to school the next day, because I have a feeling Jenna's not gonna wanna wake up. We're gonna get sauced and a lot of fun. I look so gross right now. Like, I'm about to go to bed, but I'm too bored to go to bed. Yeah, so you're pretty and I hate you. Just kidding. Love you. Anyway, this video was like so pointless. My ear kinda hurts. Yeah, that's about it. But I'm going on a field trip tomorrow to the beach. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so, love you. Mwah.